I feel like it's been a while that I haven't done a DIY video. So we are going to be doing eyeliners, or you could even be using this as a brow liner. And we're just going to be using 3 simple ingredients. Sorry you guys, you can't see my face because obviously my phone is hooked up into the camera and the light. Okay, so anyway, so you're going to need charcoal activated tablets. These are vegan. They look like this. 1 tablet. And obviously I'm wearing my gloves just to so that way I don't get all the paint all over me right now. And then your facial hydrating gel, and then we're gonna add anti-aging ingredients or rejuvenate oil. So you could use either the pellet mixer, or to make it even easier, if you just a one-time use like this one, we're gonna be using a Ziploc bag. Alright, so you're going to open up your bag and squish a little bit. Squish the tablet a little bit. Or you're going to open the tablet. Sometimes you might need like 2 or 3 tablets, but it depends. So see how these are charcoal tablets. You could buy them at Walgreens, CVS, or even order them through Amazon. So see, a lot of that came out. So now let's add a little bit of the hydrating gel. This is aloe gel. You can get it. You can even get this at the dollar store for like $1. So let's add a little bit to it. A little bit more. And then let's shake up the Rejuvenate. Just 1 drop is enough. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to close it. And we're going to gently squish it, which is we're just mixing the ingredients together. So this is going to make it a little thick, and this could be used on your eye area. You could use it as a top eyeliner or a brow gel. Okay. Okay, so see the color, how it changed. Still black. So let's test out how the color came out. See how it comes out. So just grab a Q-tip like this. You can open it a little bit like this. See how the consistency came out. Let's use this one. Here it is. And that's your black eyeliner or your black brow pencil.